Faye. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a cooking with Faye. I meant to say the cooking show.
I'm a born singer.
Before we start this, I just want to disclaim, nobody asked, but I've been doing Jenny's diet. This literally goes against everything that she eats, I think. I don't know. But it's okay. We're just gonna excuse it. Also, one more thing before we begin. I am gonna start a Twitch channel so we can go live. It's mature content only, so make sure you guys follow my Twitch. Anyway, so today's video, I am doing... Whoa. CHANYEOL from EXO. Sorry. CHANYEOL. We're doing CHANYEOL'S famous tteokbokki. I went to the Asian Mart and I found this tteokbokki with cheese inside. You see that? And then I got a pack of regular tteokbokki, and then I got the noodle kind tteokbokki. And yes, we're cooking all of this. And yes, I'm gonna try to like not eat all of it. And yes, I'm still on a Jenny diet. I don't want Jenny to know that I'm like cheating on her. We're in this together, so I'm just gonna eat a little bit of it, but you know, a little bit of it in cow size. This is seriously the simplest thing you can make, and so because it's so simple, I got the ingredients and the steps on how to make this out. Let's not screw shit up. This is the biggest pan I have, and I feel like it's not enough for all of this. Do I use my wok? Oh, wok the fuck. Let's use it. Okay, so Cook the Hook is not here today, so I'm representing us. Right, Linda? So I'm gonna prep the ingredients first. I gotta thaw these out, so we're gonna do that. I'm not even doubling this recipe. I'm like octo doubling it. Wait, what? Times 10, okay? So, I don't know what I'm doing. We need some chili pepper flakes, which I used to have the big bag, but I gave it to my family, so I only have a little. We need. Oh, ooh, where'd she go? We need this girl right here. We need some soy sauce. Every Asian has that. That ain't it. Are you serious? Got him. You can go back. We wanted a better version of you today. We don't want the negative Nancy. We want positive Polly. You can also put an egg in. I'm gonna boil that on the side. Ooh. I also got some ramen. Also, I know it's called tteokbokki. I don't know how to properly say it, but in the Linda household, we're gonna call it tteokbokki. So this is how I'm gonna be making my tteokbokki, following CHANYEOL'S tteokbokki. Green onion, sugar. We need all of this. Only diabetics say that. Minced garlic. And it also calls for fish cake, which I think my sister has, but I'm not gonna use fish cake because I don't like anything that associates with fish or fish's sound. Hey, I'm trying. Okay, so let's go to the stove then. All of this. Why is it shaped like that? It looks like a mini hot dog. Oh, this is the one with the cheese. Should we open one? I kind of want to eat it. Don't do that. It's a little grainy still. Whoops, why are we so difficult? Oh, I think you're supposed to soak this for a little bit before you cook it, but I don't care. I lied. We're gonna save the noodle ones because that's for me. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna link the actual ingredients down below or write them down below so you guys can follow it, but don't do what I'm doing. I literally don't know the measurements now anymore because I have more than 2 cups of like tteokbokki and 2 cups of water. Let the mathematician come out of me. I think we need the same amount of water. Keep adding water until we're satisfied. Beauty guru mode. Wow, it's been so long since I've done that. So this is about the amount of tears I collect overnight. Yes. All it really takes is just to reflect on my life, where I'm at, and I'm just a sad girl. I just turned on the heat. I think this is enough water. Maybe a little bit because in the pictures it kind of goes above the tteokbokki. I just went to my room to cry some more, so here we go. We have a little extra. Add in them tears. I'm just gonna eyeball this. So I didn't realize I wasn't gonna follow the measurements anymore, so I'm just gonna like eyeball everything in. I have a great eye. I guess we can cut some green onions together. I'm telling you, this is so easy. Wait, we need to boil eggs. It's hot.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
There's no need for all this chaos. You ready? You know? This is not right. Don't worry, this does not trigger any tears. Is this too much water? Girl, I don't know. I feel like it's safe. Ew, why does it look like this? That's not me. We're gonna go ahead and scoop some of this into here. Yes, a lot. Like that. Yep, maybe a little more. I don't know. I gotta put the eggs in. Kook the Hook is proud. 4. Oh no, I cracked one. 5. Okay, that's enough. This rice cake is falling apart. Okay, okay. I think we need a little more. I don't know. My intuition is telling me to add more, so going with what my mama gave me, my gut. Time to add in the flakes. Nope. Sugar. It calls for a lot of sugar. The normal recipe says use 3 spoons, and that's for so little. That a lot. It's boiling. Those rice cake are not looking cute. I thought I got them youngins. We got some 60-year-olds in here. Here's some garlic. Here I am. Just following my heart. I love to do that. Definitely a privilege to follow your heart. So I added like a bowl full of garlic. I think it's getting stuck on the bottom and I didn't realize, so whoops. Now, hold on. Put it all in. Chili flake time. I'm gonna reduce the heat a little. I don't know if I should be concerned because the starch is starting to look like a little like. So now for the pepper flakes. A handful. Yeah. A second handful. Yeah. Stir up all the haters so they become one because we gon' eat them up like nothing. Wow. Wow. So apparently what matters the most is the soy sauce in this ingredient according to CHANYEOL'S, yes. But again, I highly recommend looking at the ingredients and following that for a correct portion control size. There's really no control in this house. So Linda, let's just cheers. I don't know. Is that good? Yeah. Oh my god, I think we're doing really good and I'm really excited for us in this new chapter, this new journey. By the way, okay, let's just take a break from the cooking. It's just you and I now. I'm very tempted to dye my hair black and give myself curtain bangs. I really want it. So instead of praying about other things, I'm praying to get control because like I don't want to fuck it up, you know? Last fall, I had a whole phase, right? We all know that. My hair was all black and I just kind of missed that. That spirit within me is telling me to just do it, so I might do it. So far, so good. Look at this. If we had some meat or even mini hot dogs in here, ooh, CHANYEOL, take my advice, boy. It's like reducing quite fast. I don't know. Yeah. I think I need more water. Oh gosh. Okay, so we're gonna taste it a little bit just to see where we're at. And I'm pretty sure I did an amazing job. What the f? Wait. Tastes like nothing. Did the recipe call for salt? Because I'm gonna put salt in it. I thought that's what the soy sauce is supposed to do. Maybe I need more soy sauce. Come on. Like a watery, bland taste. It was definitely not me because of all the proportions I was doing. But that's not my fault. I'm trying to feed a village here. Oh my. This got so much salt. What the f? Sugar. No more sugar. What am I doing wrong? I think I need more sugar. I mean, it tastes a little better. Can you come taste it? Why it tastes weird? Hurry, come fix it. I won't put this in. At first, it tastes like water. And then I added salt. Then it tastes too much like salt. Then I added sugar and now I'm confused. Ugh. I don't know what happened. It's CHANYEOL'S recipe, it's not me. I don't know how my sister, what is that word when you insecure? Resuscitate? Resuscitate? No. Rescue? When you insecure. Resuscitate. Resuscitate. My sister resuscitated the tteokbokki. It tastes better. But she added her own stuff into it. Like chicken stock. But it tastes better, like so much better. So we're just gonna pretend that it worked out. That's what he did. An egg. We're having this on the side. These are like little seaweed rolls. I mean, kind of looks good. Kind of. I need to make the egg red. There's no sauce. Can we at least try it first before I sit down? Okay, I'm gonna try it for the first time. Much better. my god, cheese inside. Here are the noodles. Here's the egg. I don't know how to eat this. I actually really like the one with the mozzarella cheese inside. Oh, when you eat, you're good. Kind of spicy. One of these things. I want meat. Mozzarella cheese inside. I'm getting tired. Whoa. I'm done. Are those mukbangers for real? Almost got it. That's enough. Okay, that is it for this video. I'm so sweaty. How would I rate this? Before my sister fixed it, I rate it a 2 out of 10. Take it from me. Just make enough. But I got the gist of how it was supposed to taste like, so it's fine. And then after my sister fixed it, oh 8 out of 10. I'm not actually a big fan of tteokbokki anyway in the first place. Make sure to follow my Twitch and also comment down below who you guys wanted to try out next or try the food next. I would love to try a piece of chocolate, but I don't know how to make it. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye. Look at that. Yum.